All right, we're gonna do a little shortcut here in our next video where we're gonna go over analog sensors. We have a line follower here, and we have a potentiometer here, okay? Both of these plug into the analog ports. All right, so let's go ahead and set that up. You'll see I'm kind of cheating here, and I'm gonna take the code that we did for the push button, and I'm gonna use this as my guide for the rest of these, because we're gonna use pretty similar code for this, okay? So I'm gonna go to motor sensor setup. Again, I had digital sensors and I had motors before. Now I need analog sensors. And I'm gonna go ahead and just code both of these right now. I'm gonna make analog 1 my potentiometer. I'll call it pot. And I will call my line follower line F. Let's see, potentiometer, line follower. Again, make sure that you change your sensors. Click apply, click OK. You'll see they pop up at the top, pot and line F. Let's do potentiometer. That's in port 1. Potentiometer, your digital sensors, like your push button, you're either on or you're off. The potentiometer is kind of like a volume switch or a light dimmer. It has various levels that you can turn it to. In our case, it goes somewhere between 0 and 4,000 something. I forget the exact number. So all I'm going to do is we want the same code to run, but we're just going to change this line right here. Instead of saying if the sensor value bump, let's change that to pot. And instead of saying equals 1, where it says check to see if it's pushed, we want to say a condition for, so we're going to say if it's greater than, if the potentiometer is greater than 2,000, right? If the potentiometer is greater than 2,000, run this code. If I compile this, I download this, my code will now run the potentiometer, all right? Line follower is a little bit different. It's kind of got like a sensor in there that's checking to see, like you could tell like if there's a line on the floor, like a black line on the floor. So there's a various level that happens. Sometimes you put a different color, different shade over the lights, the line follower, it'll change the number. So what I'm gonna do is it's pretty similar, it goes to around 4,000, I forget the exact number, it might be a little bit less. I'm gonna make this 1,000 in this case. And instead of pot, all I do is change it to line F. And then I download this, and when it's over 1,000, it should run for 127. Wait a second, turn off. Cool. So these are how we use potentiometers and line followers. Again, don't forget, once you download this and you press start, you have to actually turn the potentiometer or use some sort of different color, something to go over that line follower to get them to activate and to read different numbers.